Hey there, business technology friends. For those of you who are new to our channel, my name is Garrett from ITX Tech Group, which is a leading managed service provider based in southern Wisconsin that helps companies with their business technology needs. Now, in today's short video, it's going to be all about how to create an IT disaster recovery plan for your business on a very basic level. So guys, it's pretty much safe to say that disaster recovery is often overlooked in business, mainly because other needs are typically more immediate, to be honest. However, an IT disaster recovery plan is specifically about how you're going to handle your technology if something catastrophic were to happen, right? Now here's the thing. The brutal truth is people who are not involved in the IT industry typically don't see that everyday people lose equipment, data, and money because they simply didn't prepare for the worst and didn't have a disaster recovery plan. And this honestly happens quite often. In addition, we have seen firsthand the damage that can happen without a proper plan in place. And that's why today I am going to be talking about how you can create an IT disaster recovery plan for your business. So, why do you need one in the first place? Well, quite frankly here, you guys, most businesses do not think about worst case scenario situations. I mean, they just honestly don't. And they typically run the risk of losing their business. So learning how to create a disaster recovery plan is crucial. It is a very crucial part of any business's survival. And an IT disaster recovery plan is one of the most important steps in today's tech world. So guys, for a basic IT disaster recovery plan, there's a very simple way to think about what needs to be considered as crucial to the business. So first, you're going to want to look at what resources you're overall using that would shut down your business if you didn't have them. I'm talking about stuff like, email servers, desktops, laptops, routers, firewalls, POS systems, and, important data, just to name a few things. So the next thing you want to do is you want to ask yourself, how can you protect all of these assets to your business if something terrible were to happen? Do you have a plan? For example, when it comes to data, there are several programs and systems available that back up your data that are off-site and safe. In addition, ransomware is it's very prominent with anything connected to the internet. And if you're compromised, I mean, geez, you want to be able to remove the threat and get your data back without any issues whatsoever, because that's a big problem. Now, as far as hardware that could be affected, having a backup or having backup systems that are already configured in place is it's honestly the most accepted strategy here. And the size of your business will dictate the type of situation you'll need here as well. For example, all right, if you're a small business, having a backup desktop, laptop, or pre-configured POS system at a different site than your main equipment would honestly solve this. Now, for some businesses, they'll need a more efficient solution. Typically, people will look for a vendor that supports disaster recovery in these situations, and many vendors have off-site data centers, and many vendors also have systems already in place to connect you, to backup assets if you ever need them, if you're in that, situation. Now, here's the thing. When it comes to larger businesses, they'll typically need a separate work environment set up in a separate location from their main site. This will allow them overall, to have, this will allow them to, fail over the backup environment and run their business as if nothing happened. And it can honestly, it can be costly, but is definitely usually the right decision depending on your business. Overall here, you guys, as we've discussed in this short video, an IT disaster recovery plan is extremely necessary for any business. And with how integrated business is with technology these days, you honestly really can't afford to not have a backup plan these days. And if your guys' business or if your business, needs help developing an IT disaster recovery plan, you can go ahead and always connect with us here at ITX Tech Group, as we work with clients all throughout the United States, and hey, we can help you create a plan and get back on your feet as soon as possible if disaster were to ever strike. So, if any of you guys have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video whatsoever, feel free to send us a message on LinkedIn, which you can find a link to it in the description below this video. But overall here, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new business technology related video from us in the future. And with that said, you guys, hey, thanks for watching.